This video has got questions about reciprocal graphs. You can find the PDF on mathsupgrade.co.uk. They're both non-calculated questions in this booklet. The first question starts off with giving us a partly filled in table of values for y equals 3 over x. So this is called a reciprocal equation since x is on the denominator of this fraction. Okay, so a number is being divided by x. So I need to fill this table of values in for 2 marks. So what I do, I'm going to start filling in the easy values first, which are these positive ones here. So when x is 3, 3 divided by 3, y is going to be 1. So y is going to be 1 there. Similarly, here, 3 divided by 5, 3/5, which is 0.6 as a decimal. Here, 3 divided by 6, which is 0.5. So filled in these easy ones. Now this one here, this is just 3 divided by a half. This is not 3 times a half. The answer is not 1.5. It's 3 divided by half. 3 divided by half is same as 3 times 2, which is 6. So this answer here would be 6. In part B, what I need to do now is just draw that graph of y equals 3 divided by x. So all I need to do now, look at my table of values, and I need to take each column as a set of coordinates. So for the first one here, x equals 0.5, y equals 6. So 0.5 on the x-axis, and then go straight up and then find 6 on the y-axis. So there's my first cross there. Small cross drawn with a sharp pencil. And do that for each one here, and it should form a nice smooth curve. Join that with a nice sharp pencil again, and then that's your graph. Just label it up as well, and that's your 4 marks for the whole question. In question 2, very similar question to question 1, you need to complete a table of values for 2 marks. Again, it's non-calculator, and again I'm going to start with the easy values here. So the easiest values to probably start off with are probably these whole numbers here. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. Then let's do 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So you can see the numbers going across here are getting smaller and smaller. I'm going to do 6 divided by 5, which is 1.2. If you're not sure on how to do that, just do 60 divided by 5, which is 12, and then divide the answer by 10, which is 1.2. Similar here, 6 divided by 1.5, so that gives us 4. Again, you can do 60 divided by 15, which is 4. And 6 divided by 0.5. Remember, dividing by 0.5 is the same as multiplying by 2. So that there is 12. So now I need to draw the graph. Okay, so I'm drawing the graph. Just be careful here, because the scale on the x-axis here is just in simple ones, it goes up in ones. But on the y-axis it goes up in twos, so just be really careful when you're drawing the graph here. So you just take each column from the table here, and that's one set of coordinates. So the first one we know was 0.5 and 12, so 0.5 across, 12 up, which is there, and you follow that same procedure for each one, and then join them with a nice smooth sharp pencil. You get a curve like that. Label the curve, and then that's your 4 marks for that question. So there's only 2 questions there, okay, in that booklet, because there aren't any other questions provided from past papers, but hopefully that was useful. If you're not sure on how I've done any of those, it may be worth looking at just drawing graphs of linear equations, which is also on this channel. Thanks for watching.